Today we are using the Adobe Express app once again. I'm going to show you guys actually how to add your own files from your own device, as well as a few other things to do with them. So let's just say we want to let's do something simple. Okay, let's start with this template, because that's the good thing about this. You can remix templates as you want. We are going to click add, and then we are going to click photos and add photo from photo library. We could camera, which means take a picture using the camera, but we're going to add from a photo library. Okay, I've chosen to add this photo to mine from the photo library. We're just going to put it here. Now I do want to, make sure to get rid of a few other things. I simply just need to delete what I want to get rid of, plain and simple. It would delete it. That works perfectly good there. Now we can change the color of the background because we want it to match that a bit more. I think we might want to go with more of a, yeah, there we go. And then text, we can edit it to say whatever we want. Let's just make it very simple. Adobe Express, and then just click done. We can resize it and say we want to actually edit it again. Okay, yeah, let's not edit it that way. Let's hit edit the align. We want to align it to the center. Okay, then we even want to change the style. There we go. We changed the style. We can move this here as we want. And then let's just get rid of this one. Yeah. Delete this. Delete this. Make the Adobe Express more prominent. And put here. I mean, this isn't my best work, if I'm being honest. This is just to show you guys stuff, I suppose. Yeah, this isn't exactly my best work, but it should just give you an idea. We can add different filters if we wanted. Contrast, background, sharpen. We can do all this stuff. And then even these are editable, okay? We are going to make those orange. Yeah. This orange specific for that. And then come over here and do the same thing. Find the orange we want. Hit done. I mean, I believe there is a more efficient way to do that. So I'm just doing it this way to show you guys exactly how it can be done. We have orange, and then we're going to come over here and it suggests orange for us based on that. And then there we go. We can also do like some simple things here, like as you saw, when we clicked here, under, what was it, under edit or adjustment. Edit. Then we have adjustment. We have color. We have opacity. We want to come over here, though, and this is very important. Let's see. It adds recommendations for us, and usually it's just fine with the recommendations. It's kind of the best, actually. That's actually a pretty good recommendation. I'll give it that. We might have to make it a little bit bigger now, but I gotta give it credit where credit is due, man. Gotta give it credit where credit is due. We can add effects. We can change the font, change the size, change the align, and there are just a lot of different things we can do. Then after we're done, we just hit done. Now we could go into animation even, okay? This is the important bit. This is if you want to do video style animation and stuff. You literally can, we can literally just have it animate in like that, just perfectly fine. I mean, I personally don't want to, but, I figured I would just tell you guys, show you guys what's up. Yeah, show you guys what's up just in case you wanted to animate something. Did the animate text and let's see, the photo even. So animate photo as well if you so wish. What I talked about with Adobe Express, there should be a link in the description below. Adobe Express is honestly pretty cool. Like I said, I am not going to animate this, but it is a cool thing you can animate. You can even use it for stuff like thumbnails. In fact, this is going to be the thumbnail, okay? I've decided this is going to be the thumbnail. It's going to look pretty weird and whatnot, but this is going to be the thumbnail for this video, okay? Okay, yeah. I'm going to end it off here. Let me know your thoughts. Hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. To be honest, I do regret saying that this would be the thumbnail, but here we are. Here we are. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.